In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for you to use here in Arena 16. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But Arena 16 brings us an absolutely insane deck. Let me introduce you to the Skeleton King Giant Sparky Barbarians deck with a massive 4.5 elixir average. Now, this deck is a pure heavy beatdown, so patience is key. Your first main win cons are going to be Giant plus Sparky. If you drop the Giant up front and let Sparky roll in behind, suddenly you've got a push that demands everything from your opponent, pair it with arrows to wipe swarms and clear the way. On defense, though, you're stacked. Barbarians are going to shut down tanks, Zappy's just stun pretty much everything, and Hunter's going to be your best friend against balloons or hog riders. Skeleton King is what ties all of this together. Use him to soak up souls from your defensive trades, and then counter push with his ability to overwhelm the board. Combine that with Giant or Sparky, and it's lights out. This deck overall is rated godly just across the board, which includes attack, defense, synergy, and versatility. There's only one weak spot, and it is the free to play score. It's pretty bad. There's too many legendaries and heavy cards for budget players. But still, if you do have the cards and the patience, this deck is an absolute nightmare to stop once double elixir hits. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.